Hi, good morning students. This is from Dodapapa Independent Residential QCS College annual class. In my last class, I have discussed how to find the x values if the x is real number from the given linear inequality statement. Today also I will solve the continuous parts examples only. In my last class I have discussed fifth question for x is real number. So I am going to next example, that is sixth one. The given statement is in this form: 3x minus 7 is greater than 5x minus 1. Here the value of x is, here the x is real number. We have to write the solutions of x by using the intervals. Okay, let me explain it. In the given statement, on both sides two terms is there, one with variable and one constant on LHS side also, as well as RHS side also is there. Yes, first of all I am going to remove the from RHS side 5x. I want to remove 5x from the RHS side. What we do here? How to do it one? By taking the first rule, we have to subtract both sides by 5x. Okay, I will write directly here. I will not write the word subtract on both sides by 5x, then simplification. I will not write that one. I will write directly here. Okay, that is 3x minus 7 minus 5x is more than 5x minus 1 minus 5x, because rule first one. I am applying here first rule. Okay, simplify now. This is plus 3x and it is minus 5x is there. Now simplify this, you will get minus 2x. Minus 7 you write as is one, and the symbol will not changes, as usual you write plus 5x minus 5x becomes 0, and left here minus 1. The next step is, I am going to remove the minus 7 from the LHS side. Again I am adding both sides by 7, then this minus 7 will be removing from the LHS side. Okay, the next step is, I am adding the plus 7 on both sides of the inequality statement. Minus 2x minus 7 plus 7 is more than minus 1 plus 7. Again, because rule first one, by using the first rule only here again. Now simplify. This is minus 7, this is plus 7 becomes 0. So what left we have to write, that is minus 2x left here, and get to the need right as usual. Simplify, minus 1 plus 7 become, will get 6. Yes, our aim is to simplify the coefficient of x is getting up to positive 1, but here the coefficient of x is minus 2 is there. For getting the positive coefficient of x 1 is, what we have to do here? We have to divide both sides by minus 2 by using the second rule, where multiplied or dividing by the given statement by negative values, then the sign of inequality will be reversed. Keep in mind. Okay, now I am going to dividing both sides by minus 2 to this one only directly. s minus 2 and minus 2 here also by using the rule second one. Okay, when dividing or multiplied by negative value of the given statement, then the sign of reverse will be, the sign of inequality will be reversed. Okay, yes, I will write one more step here. I will write one more step here, that is minus 2x by minus 2. When dividing by minus 2, the sign will be reversed here. 6 by minus 2. Okay, by rule second one. Now simplify, minus get cancelled, it is become positive, and 2 1 ja left x here, and here 2 1 ja 2 3 ja. So minus 3 will come here. Now here x is a real number is there. In my last class only I wrote the heading. Write the solutions of x when x is a real number is there. Yes, so that's why the solutions we have to write by using the intervals. By using the intervals. So by using this statement, what are the values of, what are the solutions of x? Read the statement, x is less than minus 3 or minus 3 is more than x. So then what will be coming here? The value of x is less than minus 3 is there. So which are the values in a number line? Less than minus 3, so on up to infinity is there. It is positive 1, positive 2 up to, so on infinity is there. Less than will be coming left side of the number line, a number line. More means right side will be coming. Okay, the less than 3 is there, so the value of this x will be coming 4 minus 999 will be coming. Means a raised to 3.99 will be coming. Getting? So then how can we represent these solutions? The x will be coming of 2 minus infinity. How can we represent, how can we write the solution? By using the intervals means, by using the open interval. Now this is the last step is there. Up to minus infinity is there. Minus infinity and up to minus 3. What stand this symbol means? The extreme ends values will be excluding of x values. Getting my point? The value of x will be lying in between minus infinity and minus 3. This is the way of writing if the x is real number. This is the solution of the sixth question. Okay, very simple way is there. Very simple method is there. We have to know first of all those two rules. Very important. At the time of solving, those rules are very important. We have to keep in mind always. By using those two rules, we have to simplify such examples. After getting that one, keep in mind always, up to getting the coefficient of positive one, we have to simplify by using those two rules. Okay? I hope that all of you getting this one. Now I'm coming to the next. Now I'm moving to the next question, 7th one. Okay? Next, 7th one is here, that is 3 of x minus 1 is less than or equal to 2 of x minus 3 is there. Yes, okay, this is the given question is there. We have to simplify the 7th one. 3 of x minus 1 is less than or equal to 2 of x minus 3 is there. Okay, here in product form they given on LHS side and RHS side. First of all, we have to multiply. Okay, multiply with the x3 to these both terms and 2 to both terms of this side. Okay, I am going to simplifying this one. 3 into x, 3x plus into minus, minus 3 into 1, 3. You write this symbol is as usual, and again with 2 to those terms, 2 into x, 2x, x plus into minus, minus 2 3 6. Okay. Now I am coming to the next point. I am removing the 2x from the RHS side by using the first rule, that is subtracting both sides by 2x. Okay. I will write here 3x minus 3 minus 2x less than or equal to 2x minus 6 minus 2x by root first one. By applying the first rule here, equal numbers may be added to or subtraction from both sides of the inequality without affecting the inequality symbol. Okay. I simplify this one. This is like terms, 3x and minus 2x and like terms is there, plus 3x minus 2x remains here, x minus 3 left as it is. Symbol you write as it is less than or equal to, and again this is 2 plus 2x and minus 2x becomes 0, left here minus 6. I hope that all of you getting this one. Again what we have to do here, for removing the minus 3, I am going to add both sides by minus 3. Okay, so I am going to add both sides by plus 3, that is x minus 3 plus 3 less than or equal to minus 6 plus 3. Getting my point? Okay. Now simplify, this becomes 0. What left here we have to write, and what left here we have to write here. Yes, what will come here? Minus 3 is left here. Okay, minus 3 is left here. 6 minus plus 3. So after simplification you will get minus 3. Then what are the values of x here? What are the values of x here? Yes, the value of x is less than or equal to minus 3 is there. Less than or equal to minus 3 means the x values will be including the minus 3 values also, but less than minus or equal to is there, no? That's why minus infinity comma minus 3 closed interval. This symbol is open interval, it will be excluding this minus infinity value, and this is called the closed interval. It will be including the minus 3 value in x. Getting my point? Here excluding infinity value, here including the minus 3 value. This is the way of writing the solutions of this x when x is real number. Very simple way is that. Again here I am using the first rule only. Here again I am here using the first rule only, means adding both sides by plus 3. Okay. The seventh answer is open interval infinity minus infinity and close interval of minus 3. In that way we have to simplify. Okay, I hope that all of you getting this one. Now come to the next question, 8th one. Don't confuse here. I will show a number line. I take the number line of the here 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 up to so on, positive infinity, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 1, so on up to minus infinity is there. We have to write the values of x here. But read this given statement of inequality. This is the last step. By using this one step, we can write the solutions of x here. Okay. So read this statement. X is less than. First of all, what is the less than or equal to minus 3? Here the value of x also including the minus 3. That's why so on minus 6, minus 5, minus 4 and minus 3 also it will be coming. These only the solutions of this x are how can we represent by using the intervals in this way. Open the interval here and use the last right side close interval. What that this means? Excluding the x values minus infinity, including the x values minus 3 here. The value of x is excluding here infinity value, minus infinity value and including the minus 3 value x values. I wrote here those one. So on means here up to minus infinity and it will take up to minus 3. This way, this is the solutions of x and how can we write these one in intervals means by using these symbols. Getting my point? Okay. Come to next question, that is eighth one. That is eighth one. Three of 2 minus x is greater than or equal to 2 of 1 minus x is there. 1 minus x is there. Okay. We have to simplify by using the two rules here. Okay. Let us come to the solution of this one. Here I am going to write the solution here. Here I will write the given as this one. Given 3 of 2 minus x is greater than or equal to 2 of 1 minus x. This is the given statement, is it? Yes? Okay, then the next step is multiply with 3 to both terms of the inside the bracket. Okay, 3 into 2, 3 2 is 6 is it? Okay. Plus into minus, minus. 3 into x, 3x. Okay, you simply write as usual. Greater than or equal to this one. And again with 2, you have to multiply both terms of the inside the bracket. 2 1 is 2. Plus into minus, minus. 2 into x, 2x. After this one step, I am removing the minus 2x from the RHS side, from the right hand side. Okay. By adding both sides x plus 2x, we will remove this minus 2x from the RHS side. Okay. By using the first rule here, I will write directly here. That is 6 minus 3x is greater than or equal to, sorry, I am going to add here 2x on both sides plus 2x greater than or equal to symbol here 2 minus 2x plus 2x by using the rule first one. In first one there is no affecting the sign of inequality. Okay, now simplify. This is minus 3x, this is plus 2x. So what left here? Minus x is left here. After simplification, these two. Okay, these two are like terms. Simple you write as usual. Minus 2x plus 2x becomes 0. So what left here? 2 left here. What is the next step here? Now see the LHS side one. Here 6 is present is there. Now I am going to remove the 6 from the LHS side by subtracting both sides by 6. Okay, I am using again the first tool. 6 minus x minus 6 is more than or equal to 2 minus 6. Again I am using the first rule only. Okay, simplify again. This is positive x, positive 6 and it is minus 6. So becomes 0. So what left? Minus x is left here. Simple you write as usual. You subtract here, you here left minus 4. Again, it is not in the form of the coefficient of x is positive 1. Here, the coefficient of x is negative 1 is coming. For writing the values of x, we have to require here the value of the coefficient of x is positive 1. Now convert that into the coefficient of x is positive 1. How can we convert it? How can we write that? By using the second rule. I'm going to multiply both sides by minus 1. Huh? Both sides divide by minus 1. Then we'll get this is coefficient of x is positive and we'll be getting. Okay. Now I'm going to multiply. When you multiply, the sign of inequality will be reversed as the property of second one. Here I'm going to multiply with minus 1 to both sides. The sign will be reversed because by the property of second one. I am writing here because rule second one. Okay. Now simplify. Minus into minus plus 1 into x. Write the symbol in reverse order. And minus into minus plus 4 into 1 4. Then we can write the solutions of x here. Read the given statement. The x is less than or equal to 4. The value of x will be including the 4 value from up so on to plus 4. Here, how can we write the values of x here? In this way, so on, minus 3, minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1, 2, 3 and 4. In this way we can write it. As these are the solutions of x, these only how can we write in the interval form? Yes, the value of x will be writing in this way. The x is belongs to the value of x is belongs to the open the interval minus infinity plus 4 closed with open interval. This is the required solution. This stands for excluding the infinity value and it's including the 4 value in x. I wrote already about this one. By using these values I am writing in interval form. The last step is the required solution for the x when x is real number. Okay. I hope that all of you getting this one. There is no complicated one here. Yes. See here. The value of x is up to here is coming. The value of x is from this to here is going here. This side. Okay. The value of x will be from 4 to left side is moving. Less is there or symbol here. The value of x is less than or equal to 4 is there, no? That's why I am going with 4 to a left side one. Means left side. So left side will be coming up to where negative 1 is up to minus infinity. Then when we are asking here x is a real number, we have to write by using the intervals. Getting? Okay. Come to the next problem. There is ninth one. Ninth one. Ninth one is in this way is that x plus x by 2 plus x by 3 is less than 11 is there. Okay. This is the given question is that we have to find the x values in the form of real number. Okay. On LSSI, 2 terms are there. 3 terms are there. 2 terms in the form of rational form is there, and one is in again single term, that is x is there. We have to take LCM of all these things. Yes, nothing is here. What will be coming? I will write in solution. Okay, come to the solution of this one. I will write the given. I will write the given as usual x plus x by 2 plus x by 3 is less than 11. This is the given statement of inequality. Okay. Here x nothing is below what will be present? 1 will be present. We have to know that for x is there, here single. Nothing means the power is 1 is there. The coefficient of x is 1 is there, and it will be divided by 1 always. Keep in mind. Okay. If single x is there means its power is 1, coefficient is positive 1. If positive means positive, x means, and denominator is 1 is present always. And all the natural numbers and whole numbers all are in the form of rational form only. P by Q form only is there. Okay, keep in mind that point. Okay. Okay. Okay, I am taking this LCM of this one. We have to take the least multiple of 1, 2, 3. You have to take LCM of 1, 2, and 3. We get 6. 6 is the least multiple of 1, 2, 3. Getting my point? 6 is the least multiple of 1, 2, 3. Okay. So I am taking here, I am writing here 6. In one table, when you come here, 6 will come. Multiply its numerator by 6. In two table, when will come 6, 3 is there. We have to multiply its numerator by 3. In 3 table, when it will come 6, 2 will come. You have to multiply its numerator with. Don't touch this one. Keep as usual. Okay. X into 6, 6x. Okay. Plus is the numerator plus 6 into 3, 3x. Again, what is the plus is the symbol? 6 into 2, 2x. And less than equal to 11. You write x as well. Okay. Now next is simplification. All our like terms are there. Go to add. We'll be getting, that is, this will be getting you 11x divided by 6. Okay. Less than equal to 11 is there. So I am going to next. I want to remove the 11 and 6 at a time. I am going to divide by 11 and multiply by 6 to this statement. Otherwise, one by one you have to take. So at a time I am taking both one. At a time I am going to simplify this to 1. I am making at a time the x coefficient of x is positive 1. So I am going to multiplying and dividing by 6 and dividing by 11. Okay, better to write it is. On both sides multiply by 6 and divide by 11. We get by using the second rule, but I am going with positive only. Okay. Okay, write it. 6 into 11 divided by 6 into 11 into x. Yes. Here already 11 is there. I am going to multiply with 6 and dividing by 11. Come to this side. 11 is already there. Multiplying by 6 and dividing by 11. Okay. Now these star like terms get cancelled. Left only one, and 11 is 11 is what left you have to write. Then you will get x is less than 6. Getting? X is less than 6. Okay. Now, how can we write the solutions of x here? By using the number line. Okay, I am going to rub this side one. What are the solutions of x here by using this condition? The value of x is less than 6 is there. So less than 6 on number line, how many will come? Take one number line here 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, so on, positive infinity, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, so on, minus infinity. When taking this one, the value of x is less than 6 is there. The value will be, the value of x will be coming from 9.9, 5.9999 will be coming. Okay? 5.99 will be coming. Yes? So that's why in real number we have to take this is empty circle and take towards the LHS side of or left side of the number line. These values will be always less than 6. This means what? Empty circle, small empty circle, the value of x is excluding 6 but including 5.99. Okay, the value of the statement, how to read this? X is less than 6 is there. So here the value of x 6 is excluding, but the value of x will be coming up to 5.99. So these only, how can we write its solution? That is x equal to, so on, minus 4, minus 3, minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5.99. Getting? These are the values of x here. So how can we write these ones by using intervals? Means that is x belongs to open interval minus 6 and positive 6. This is a way of writing the x values in real number form. Means x is real, means we have to show that x solutions in by using the intervals. This means what? Excluding the extreme end values of x. Getting? The value of x coming up to minus infinity, not to infinity, and the value of x up to getting up to 6, not 6. This is the meaning of this open interval form. Okay, I hope that all of you getting this one very easily. Now moving to the next question, that is 10th one. Yes, come to the 10th one question here. The given 10th one is in this way: the x by 3 is more than, is greater than x by 2 plus 1 is there. This is the 10th one question. Same, similar procedure is there, similar step is there for simplifying that one. Same as usual of this one also is there, but on LHS side only one term is there, on RHS side 2 terms is there. Okay, how to simplify this one? Yes, come to solution of this one. I am going to write the given one first of all. That is x by 3 is more than or greater than x by 2 plus 1. Now I am going to take the LCM of this. Nothing means what is there? 1 is present here, right? Only I was explaining this. Okay. Now I will write this one as usual. What is the LCM of 2 and 1? 2 will come. It is very simple, is it? 2 into 1, we have to multiply each numerator with 1, x will be coming. When will be coming 1 divided 2? 2z will come. Multiply each numerator by 2 to that 1, 2 z, 2z will come. Getting? Okay. Next, how to use here? How to use this? Remove the plus 3 on both sides. Otherwise, plus 3 by 1 by 3 I want to remove it. Okay. Otherwise, if you want to remove both this and this, means we have to multiply by 3 and 2 on both sides. Getting my point? Multiply by 3 and 2 on both sides. Multiply by 3 and 2 on both sides. We get okay by using the second rule, but I am going with positive. then the sign will not reverse, keep in mind. As I am multiplying both sides by 3 into 2. So 3 into 2 into x divided by 3. S is more than x plus 2 divided by 2 into 2 into 3. Getting my point? We have to write inside the bracket because 2 terms is there now, that's why. Okay, now simplify. 3 1 ja, 3 1 ja will be going this side, and here 2 1 ja, 2 1 ja will be going. What left we have to write there? Okay, I am writing this here, that continuous part. Okay, here 2 into x left here, so that is 2 into 2x is, and its symbol is greater than 1 left here, that is I will write 3 into x plus 2 left. Yes, 2 to get the answer. Left side 3 into x plus 2 left here. Okay, now simplify this one. 2x is more than, multiply with 3 to this both terms. 3 into x, 3x, plus into plus plus, 3 2 is 6. Okay, the next step is I want to be here, remove the plus 3x from RHS side. So what we do here? Subtract both side by plus 3 or 3. Rule first one here. I am applying the first rule, second rule here. Multiplying both side by 3 and 2 here. So it is second rule. Here again I am going to use the first rule here. I am subtracting both side by minus 3. Means 3x. By using the first rule. Okay. Now simplify. Plus 2x minus 3x left minus x. Means minus 1x is meaning it is. Same symbol you have to write. This plus 3x minus 3x become 0. So what left we have to write? That is plus 6. But see in that statement, in this step, the coefficient of x is what coming here? Minus 1. For adding the value of x, we have to require positive 1. So make it positive 1 by using the second rule. So what we do here? Yes, multiply both sides by minus 1. Okay. When multiplying both sides by minus 1, then the sign will be reversed because the second rule. Multiply on both sides by minus 1. We get, that is minus 1 into minus x is less than is coming down. The sign will be reversed because second rule second one. Getting? Okay, now simplify. Minus into minus plus 1 into x, x. And plus into minus, minus 6 into 1, 6. Now we can write easily the values of x here. Now come to the number line, then we will be getting very clearly. Yes, this is 0, 1, 2, 3, so on, first to infinity. Here minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5, minus 6, minus 7, so on, minus infinity. So read the statement of last step. X is less than minus 3 is there, sorry, minus 6 is there. So we have to write the solutions of x less than minus 6. We have to take the values of x here, so on, minus 8, minus 7, yes or no? Getting? Minus 7.99 or 6.99 also we can take. Getting my point? So up to minus 6.99 also we can take. Getting my point? 6.99 1 1. Up to we can take 6.11 1 also or 0 1 also. We can take up to 6.01 also we can take the values of x. So in real number the decimal numbers also will be coming. So how can we write these values in intervals? That is less than is there, we have to go with open interval minus infinity and minus 6 open interval infinity, because this symbol is less than is there. So that's why this solution will be writing by using interval in this form. This is the required solution for the 10th question. Getting my point? Okay. Yes. Now moving to the next question, that is the 11th one. I'm going to love this one. Moving to 11th question. The 11th question is in this way is there. Come to the 11th one. That is 3 of x minus 2 upon 5 is less than or equal to 5 into 2 minus x upon 3 is there. Okay. This is the given 11th question is there. How can we find this x values, or how can we write these value in real number form? How can we write these in real number form? Okay. Come to the next solution of this one. Okay, I am going to write the solution of this one. Given one I will write as this one. 3 of x minus 2 divided by 5 less than or equal to 5 of 2 minus x divided by 3. This is the given statement of inequality there. Here first of all we have to multiply with r. First of all you have to multiply with, otherwise now only at a time you have to take multiply both sides by 5 and 3. Multiply both sides by 5 and 3. Then we get what we get, we have to see here. So I will go, otherwise first of all we simplify the numerator form. Okay, I will multiply with 3 to both terms, that is 3x into 3x minus 6 will come. I will write again in bracket only, and the symbol will be coming same as this one, less than or equal to, and 10 minus 5x in numerator and denominator 3 I will write as this one. Now I am going to apply the second rule here. Multiplying both sides by 5 and 3. Okay, by using the second rule here. So I am going to multiplying with 5 and 3 divided by 5. The symbol will be coming same, because I am going to multiply with first two number. 10 minus 5x into 5 into 3 divided by 3. By using the rule second one, write that is in proper way. Okay, I will run this one. Okay, sorry. By using the rule second one. Okay, now simplify now. It will be going into form is in the matrix, so 5 1 5 1 going here, and here 3 1 3 1 it will be going. So what left? 3x minus 6 into 3 left. So you have to multiply with both terms to this one. 3 3 is 9x. 9x minus into plus minus 6 3 is 18. I hope that all of you getting this one. I am multiplying with 3 to both terms of the bracket one. And write the symbol as this one. And here 3 is left already. And get cancelled. We multiply with 5 to both terms of the bracket ones. Yes, 10 into 5, 50. Minus into plus minus 5 5 is 25. Yes. Okay. The next step is removing the x term from the LRHS side one. So what we do here, apply the first rule, add both side by 25x. Okay. So I am going to apply this first rule. I am adding here both side 25x. Less than same, symbol will be same. 50 minus 25x plus 25x. Now simplify from the LHS side one. This is plus 9x and plus 25x become 34x. Yes or no? Minus 8 you write as usual. Minus 18, sorry, not 8. And symbol you write as usual. And this will be going here. Minus 25x plus 25x will be going here. Getting? Okay. What left here? We have to write that is 50 left. The next step is we have to remove the minus 18 from LHS side. Okay. Use here. I am using here first rule. Again I am using the first rule only here. 34x minus 18 plus 8. I am adding both sides by 18. Symbol will be coming same only. No changing, no affecting. Okay. Now simplify this one. I will write here. When we simplify this one, minus 18 plus 18 becomes 0. What left we have to write? It is 34x and the symbol will be coming same, less than equal to, and it is 68. 50 plus 18 is 68. Okay, we can't write the value of x because the coefficient of x is positive 34 is there. For writing the value of x, the coefficient of x should be positive 1. Okay, so again I am converting LHS side 1, the coefficient of positive 1. Then what? When will be coming this one? When we are dividing both sides by 34, then the coefficient of x is coming positive 1. So applying here again second rule. Here applying the first rule. Here I am applying the second rule. 34x divided by 34, and the symbol will be coming same only because I am dividing here both sides by positive value. Okay, 68 divided by 34 because applying the second rule here. With the positive sign I am going here. Okay, simplify. 34 on the 34 and here 34 on the 34, 34 to the 68. So what left here? X is left. And symbol is same, keep as usual, and 2 is coming here. Then what are the solutions of x here? The values of x here less than equal to is there again. Less than equal to means you have to take here so on minus 3, minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1, 2. Why 2 is including in the value of x? Here less than equal to is there, no? That's why we have to go there when you going with the double line here, 1, 2, 3, so on, first to infinity, minus 1, minus 2, so on, minus infinity is there. Here this will be including here. I am making here 40 here small circle with shading. This indicates that it stands for the including the value of x 2 also. Getting this only how can we write in real numbers, that is minus infinity plus 2 close into 1. Here the value of x is excluding minus infinity and including the 2 also. I wrote here 2 also. But this is the required solution for the 11th one. Getting? Okay? Okay. Now I am moving to the next question, that is 12th one. 12th one. I will run this slide first of all. Come to 12th example. Come to 12th example. That is 1 by 2 of 3x by 5 plus 4 is it greater than or equal to 1 by 3 into x minus 6 is there. Here again the x is real number only. Yes, how can we find this value? How can we write the value of x in terms of x is here real number, x is here real number is here. Then how can we write the solutions of x here by using those two rules? Okay. Try yourself at home. Otherwise, I will continue in the next class. This is one assignment or homework to take it is. And if this answer will become, this answer will be coming here. This answer of this question is open interval minus infinity 120 close interval. 120 close interval, right? Neatly here, close interval. This way. Try yourself at your home. Not getting it, I will explain the next class. Okay? Take care. Bye.